Hello students, today we are going to understand Unit 3's chapter, that is Glimpse of the Past, which is written by S.D. Sawant. This chapter is a picture story. It recalls the story of freedom through pictures. It also explains the idea that led to the First World War of Independence in 1857. We'll understand this story in two parts. Today, we'll understand only one part, that is from first the martyrs till fourth Ram Mohan Roy. In part 2, we'll cover from 5 Operation till the fight of freedom. Let's start part 1. Number 1, martyrs. At a function in Delhi, Lata Mangeshkar sang the patriotic song "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo." She called upon the Indians to recall with tearful eyes the sacrifice of Indian freedom fighters. Second, the company's conquest from 1757 to 1849. The English East India Company came to India for trade, but with its superior weapon of diplomacy, it extended its power in the 18th century. Indian princes were short-sighted. People in India had no peace due to constant fights among the states of the country. They sought the help of English merchants to defeat one another. These rivalries helped the company to defeat and subdue Indian princes one by one. A far-sighted ruler like the brave Tipu Sultan of Mysore fought the British till he died fighting. Now, Indians reacted to the conquest made by the English company. Some of them thanked God as well as the British for restoring peace in the country and stopping looting. They said their destiny was linked with the English. But there were others who felt unhappy. They complained that the white man had killed or dethroned their kings. No doubt some kings were bad, but after all, they were Indians. Under the white rulers, they had become slaves. Third, British rule 1765 to 1836. Some religious leaders supported the social evils such as untouchability and child marriage. They forbade crossing the seas and going abroad. A few said that women were to blame for all the misery. The truth was that Indians had lost self-respect. The white hated and disbelieved them. The English were merchants first. The aim was to make quick profits. They imposed heavy taxes on the farmers. They sent many farmers to jail for failing to pay their tax arrears. They destroyed Indian cottage industries also in order to sell goods manufactured in England. They exempted all goods imported from England from duties. Thus, they ruined Indian artisans and their business. Fourth, Ram Mohan Roy from 1772 to 1833. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, a learned social reformer from Bengal, understood what was wrong with the country. He called upon the people to feel proud of their ancient culture and get the society rid of silly superstitions. He pointed out that all religions preach the same thing. He understood the importance of science and modern knowledge. He started newspapers, but British stopped them in 1823. He crossed the seas and went to England to see what made the British so powerful. He then adopted the middle path. He agreed to accept the British as rulers, but they must remember the responsibilities towards their subject. Here your part 1 gets over. We'll understand part 2 in next lecture.